welcome back. Now we are on the last part. So this is now the lower body exercises for our body weight training. So this time, I have here a platform. So gagamitin ko yung mamaya. So sa paggamit natin ng platform, pwedeng kung wala kayo nito, pwedeng hagdan or any stable, elevated surface na pwede nyo gamitin for these exercises. Okay? Now, these exercises are good for strengthening and shaping our butt, our thigh muscles, and even our calves. Okay? So, let's begin. First, we have the step up with knee raise. So that's why we have the platform over here. So we will be stepping up on this platform and then performing the knee raise with elbow touch. Okay? And then down. Okay? Now, you can perform this in two different ways. Pwedeng concentrated, pwedeng alternating. For example, concentrated, I will step up with my left and then raise my right knee for 8 times, for 8 repetitions. Puro left lang ang step up ko. So therefore, concentrated sa left leg ko ang step up movement. Okay? So that's concentrated. Now, pwedeng repetitive or pwedeng alternating. When I say alternating, for the count 1, I step up with my left, raise with my right, and then down. And for this count number 2, I will step up with my right, and then raise with my left, and then down. So that's the alternating. Okay? So alternating yan. But I prefer the concentrated. Para sa akin, mas okay yung concentrated. Kasi yung tension at yung stress ay mas mataas kapag concentrated na ginagawa nating movement. So let's do the concentrated way of doing this step up with knee raise. Okay? So let's do this for 8 repetitions for each leg. So let's begin. So 1, then down. Bababa lang yung ating right feet or right foot sa floor. And then step 2, 2. And then down, and then 3, down, 4, down, 5, down, 6, down, 7, down, and 8, down. And then, next, right, 1, down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down, 6, down, 7, down, and 8, down. Now, for this workout, how to add intensity? If you want to add intensity, you can position your lower leg farther. Okay, backwards. Mas ilayo ninyo. Okay. So, mas malayo siya. So, in this case, mas ma-activate yung inyong butt and yung inyong hamstring. Okay? In this position. And once you raise up, ma-activate naman yung inyong quadriceps muscle. So, ilayo nyo ng konti. Mas malayo yung rear leg or yung lower leg, mas intense yung movement. So let's begin. Let's do this in this position. Mas malayo yung ating rear leg or yung ating lower leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yun, mas intense ang tama niya sa ating leg muscles. Just keep your balance in doing the position or in doing the movement para hindi kayo matumba at hindi kayo mahulog sa platform. So next, we have the calf raise. So for the calf raise, we will be stepping up on the platform both feet, and we will raise our calves. Okay? So you can do this sa hagdan, mas mababa, okay lang yung hagdan. So in this case, medyo mataas ito, so ingat lang tayo. Bakit kailangan? Nasa platform tayo. So sa ganun, mas may ibaba natin yung ating heel. Kasi kung nasa floor lang tayo, for example, yan, nasa floor tayo, hindi mo na may ibaba yung heel mo. Kasi ito na yan. Pero kung nasa platform yan, mas may ibaba mo yung heel mo. In other words, mas may stress natin yung ating calf. So mas mataas ang magiging movement natin. Unlike kapag nasa floor tayo, ito lang siya. So dito, ito siya. Now, kung wala kayong platform, okay lang. So you can do this position on the floor and then just do the calf raises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yan, sa floor lang yan. Kung gusto nyo mas mabigat, magbuhat kayo ng something, just like timba na may laman tubig or batas na may laman tubig. So buhatin nyo while doing this one. So pwede sa floor. So this time, meron tayong platform. So gamitin natin yung platform. And then, position the sole of your feet just in the middle. So nasa gitna dapat 50-50 ang balance ng ating talampakan sa platform. And then let's do this for 8 times. So ready? 1. Then slowly down. And then push up. 2. Down. 3. Down. 4. Down. 5. Down. 6. Down. And then 7. Down. 8. And then down. Kung meron kayong railing sa hagdan, pwede rin. Hawakan ninyo para hindi kayo off balance. Hawakan niyo mga railings while doing this movement of your calf. Okay? So that is the calf raise for your calf muscles. Next workout, we have the Bulgarian split squats. So paano yung Bulgarian split squats? So again, you may use a platform or pwede rin naman na upuan, monoblock chair, ang gamitin ninyo. So the preparatory position is this one. For example, I will be squatting with my right. So ang left foot ko will be placed just on the top of the platform. And then you will be holding this position. Okay? Now, for more intense movements, so you can place your lower leg farther from the platform. So kumukha niyan. So mas malayo. Okay? So mas malayo siya, mas maganda kasi mas intense. Keep your body straight. And then you will just perform squats with your leg. So this is concentrated movement. Isang leg lang ang ma-activate sa squat natin dito. So, let's do this. Slowly. So the Bulgarian split squats. So, squats. And this is the position of your legs. And then up. That is 1. For the count number 2, so you can have your hands free hand position. So yeah, free hand yan para mas ma-maintain yung balance. Pero yung support sa inyong knee para mas may balance kayo. So let's do this one. Again. 1. Up. 2. Up. 3. Up. 4. Up. 5. Up. 6. Up. 7. Up. And then 8 up. So next, with our left, again, position. So, drop down, squat position. 1, up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, up. So maintain your back, maintain your straight position. 5, up, 6, up, 7, up, and then 8, up. So that is the Bulgarian split squats. Next, we have the regular squats. So in doing the regular squats, we will just strike our legs. And then you are just going to bend your knees straight up your body. And then the position is this one. So while bending, so almost 90 degree angle, but hamstring and your knees. And then you will just push up your body with your quadriceps. So to have a good posture or better posture, you can place your arm in front of you and then let your elbow touch your knees, just like this one. As you touch your knees with your elbow, and then suspend for 1 second, and then push up your body. So that is the squats. So let's do this for 8 times. Ready? Position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is the squats. And lastly, we have the backward lunge. So in doing the backward lunge, so we have the preparatory position, standing strike position, or you can have your feet close together. And then you are just going to move one of your legs backward. So how to do this one? For example, we have our left as our concentrated squat muscle, and then we have our right as our backward lunge position. So step your right backwards, and then lunge with your left knee. And then those two, you are going to push upward your body, and then return your right leg in its position. Okay? So again, step back, lunge, that's one, step up. Okay? And then next, we have the left to do the backward movement, right to do the squat movement. Step, 2, and then return. 3, return. 4, return. 5, return. 6, return. 7, return. 8, return. So that is the backward lunge. So those are the exercises for your lower muscles. There are so many exercises that you can choose. So just search for other exercises that you are more interested with. So the exercises that I presented to you are suggested activities for your preferred body weight training workout.